Every sewist will benefit from utilizing a walking foot in their sewing arsenal. Hi, Mark here from Stitch, doing a quick tool school just to give you some overview of the number 50 walking foot from Bernina. If you struggle sewing on leather or sticky materials, silks, organzas, or even slipperier materials, or really high pile materials such as a quilt or say terry cloth, or even what's that called, fleece, you would benefit from a walking foot. Pretty much any sewist who sews on multi-layered or multi-dense fabrics or materials can benefit from a walking foot. The Bernina number 50 walking foot comes in a box, and it comes with lots of items. First of all, you get the walking foot, okay? And it comes with 3 soles. This sole here is a 5.5 millimeter sole, and it is similar to the 1 foot of a 5.5 millimeter foot. It also comes with a open-toed 5 millimeter foot, similar to the number 20. And it comes with a stitch in the ditch foot, similar to a number 5 foot of the Bernina. It's also, all 3 feet are 5 millimeter because the feet of the feed dogs that facilitate the movement of the fabric through the machine, feeding the fabric through the machine, take up that space. You can put this foot on most machines. This here in front of me is a 770 and it has a 9 millimeter stitch plate, or behind me there's a 5.5 millimeter stitch plate. It'll work the same. To put it on the machine, you take the fork, this here, and it goes on the needle bar screw. The cone for the presser foot goes in here, and there's a little slip channel for the tip of the cone should you need it. You can, in this particular machine, lift the presser foot bar, and you'll want to slide the foot in. You'll want to put the fork in an up position so you can slide it on the bar, slide it up underneath the presser foot bar, and secure it in place. To take it off, it's basically the same thing. You release the securing bar. You can use that to lift the needle bar up. It is spring-loaded, and it's not under power, so won't hurt your machine in any way. And it comes off. The seam guides go on with a clamping piece that fit on the top. The screw of the clamping piece sits in the recess on top, and the holes on the side all line up so that you can simply slide the seam guide in place and then tighten the screw as needed. And you could put it on. You could even use that to help you put it on. Okay. Again, I'm just going to slide it under the securing lever in under my thumb. Take the clamp and slip it onto the needle bar screw and place it under the cone and secure it in place. Okay, just like that. And I'm basically ready to sew. Okay, now in the box it comes with a screwdriver to facilitate switching out the different feet. Also in the box is this handy guide in about 12 languages. You can purchase this this walking foot here at Stitch. You can call us at 970-247-1085, or you can order online at stitchonline.net. This foot is on sale from Bernina at 25% off through the rest of this month, January 2025. Hope you have a great time. Thanks for watching Tool School here at Stitch. Peace out.